Students, today let us solve the third problem of exercise 2.4. Question is, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. In that first question is, p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. Please note, here we are given that x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then the value of this polynomial at 1 must be equal to 0. We have to change the sign here. So p of 1 is equal to, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. The reason is, since x minus 1 is a factor, we have to put opposite value. Please note. So we will get p of 1 is equal to x square plus 1 square plus 1 plus k. So this is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus k. Now this, since x minus 1 is a factor, this 2 minus 2 plus k must be equal to 0. As x minus 1 is a factor, this value 2 plus k is equal to 0. It means k is equal to minus 2. In second question, 2x square, p of x is equal to x square plus kx plus root 2. Put x is equal to again 1. Reason is x minus 1 is a factor, so we'll get p of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. This is equal to 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, that is equal to 2 plus k plus root 2. Now please note, this is a rational number, this is a irrational number, we can't add. As x minus 1 is a factor, this value must be 0. 2 plus k plus root 2 must be equal to 0. It means k is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Third problem, put x is equal to 1. So we'll get p of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So this is equal to k minus root 2 plus 1. As x minus 1 is a factor, we can say that this value must be 0. So k minus root 2 plus 1 must be equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to, change the side. If you change the side, signs will change. You will get 1 will get minus sign and root 2 will get plus sign. So negative root 2 will become positive root 2, positive 1 will become negative 1. In fourth, put x is equal to 1. We'll get p of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. So this will be k, so we'll get k minus 3 plus k. K plus k is 2k, that is equal to 2k minus 3. Now this value must be 0. As x minus 1 is a factor, p of 1 is equal to 0. So we'll get 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. It means 2k is equal to, change the side of the 3, it will become positive 3. And please note, this 2 is multiplying, so k is equal to, therefore k is equal to 3 upon 2. Please note, 2 will divide 3. Now see, in fourth question we are asked to factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we want two numbers such that their product is 12 into 1. So product must be 12, and their addition or subtraction, sum of those integers must be minus 7. Now if you see the numbers, factors of 12 are 12 is equal to 12 into 1, then it is 4 into 3 and 6 into 2, or opposite of that. Now we want two numbers which will have the sum negative 7. So if you take this negative 4 and negative 3, you will get negative 4 into negative 3 is 12, and negative 4 plus negative 3 will be negative 7. So we have to select these numbers. Hence factors are 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Now from the first two digit we can take 4x common. So here 3 will be left, 4 3s are 12, 1 x will be left. minus, if you take 4x common from 4x, 1 will be left. Now, please note, if here 3x and 1 don't have any common factor, it means 1 can always be taken. We want 3x minus 1, so I take minus 1. Minus sign common, so 3x will have positive sign and 1 will have negative sign. Please understand this. Now 3x minus 1, both the brackets are same, you can take it common. So this is equal to 3x minus 1 taken common. In bracket you will have 4x minus 1. Next is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. We want two numbers such that the product is the product of the first and last. The product of the first and 2 3s is 6. We want factors of 6. Please understand, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So we want factors of 6 in such a way that their addition will be 7. We have factors of 6 is equal to 6 into 1, then 2 into 3, or opposite of that. Now see, if you want the sum 7, then we will have to take this 6 into 1. So factors of these are 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Now from this you can take 2x common, you will have x plus 3. Now from this nothing can be taken common, means 1 is always possible to take common. So you will have x plus 3. Now x plus 3 is common in both the terms. So you will have x plus 3 common, and here 2x will be left, here 1 will be left. So this itself is the answer. Now third problem is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So we want two numbers such that their product is the product of the first and last. Product of the first and last is 6 into 6 is minus 36. So we want two numbers in such a way that their sum is plus 5, but their product is negative 36. So 36 is equal to 6 into 6. Then 1 will have negative sign. Then you have 9 4s are 36. Then you have 12 3s are 36. Now among this, if you take the 9 into 4, we can get the sum 5. But in this case, you must have 4 a negative sign and 9 must have positive sign. Then and then only it's possible to get the factors. Get a factor of minus 36. So let us split the middle term. We will have 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. From this you can take 3x common. You will have 2x plus 3. From this, if you take minus 2 common, you will have 2x plus 3. Among this, please note, this bracket must always be same. Then and then only we can take the common. So 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2 is the answer of the given question. Now we want, in fourth question, 3x square minus x minus 4. We want two numbers in such a way that their product is 3 4s are plus negative 12. Now factors of these are, factors of 12 are 12 into 1, then 3 into 4, then 6 into 2. Now we want some negative 1. So 4 must have negative sign, then we can get negative 12 also. So this 3 into minus 4, we will get the middle term as well. So please note here. Let us split the middle term. 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Among these you can take x common. So you will have 3x minus 4. From this again nothing can be taken common. 1 is always possible to take common. Please note bracket is same. So this is equal to 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. So this itself is the answer of the given question.